Attention citizens, nuclear strike imminent.
Yeah, let's get up there so we can fight. You don't want to fight? You're a pacifist now?
What?
He's a pacifist, guys. Don't shoot him. He's a pacifist.
Can I just play medic? I don't want to hurt anyone.
Can I just play medic? I just want to give everybody hugs. I don't want to kill anybody. I'm going to be a pacifist.
I got you.
Aww.
Why join task force for money? How's that gonna work? I can't smoke.
That's fine. Our VP doesn't smoke.
Really?
Our VP doesn't. Okay. Our VP doesn't. No, he doesn't smoke or drink.
Really?
And our treasurer doesn't smoke either. It's only a name, man.
Well, I learned a good drink from Jake.
It's just a name, man. You don't have to smoke. Hey, there he goes. Ah! Perfect timing! Don't pull a hammy, children! Hard push, hard push. The tires is dead, tires is dead.
All the way back.
Good push. Let's get in there. Close is dead. Keep moving up. You're green. You gotta go in front of me. Careful. Whoa, 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 careful. Stand back, actually. He just got killed right there. I don't know where from.
Yeah,
It's gotta be from like right here. Like right in our blind spot. Oh, tires. Oh, I see him. Oh, okay, got him. Okay. He's dead. Why are you misfiring? Yeah, I see him. Gun. Whew. He's right here, dude. I can't, like, he's like right here. I can't peek. He's holding me. I got that guy. Was that shaving a haircut? Woo! He's trying to give me a shave. Good job. Thank you. I'm still pinned. Damn.
Red.
I smoked the... Oh shit. Gun! Hit! Hit. They finally got me! Let's take it back. Oh my God, this is not a deal. Sorry about the ricochets right there in front of me. Well, I got a bunch up there. I was talking to this guy. We got a bunch of smoke. Task Force 420's here, baby. We got a bunch of smoke. All right. Yeah, I was trying to shoot him from the other building. I couldn't get him. Let's see if I can see him. I think I got a barrier in my way.
Good work, Sam. They're moving right middle, behind the unruly brewing sign.
I already used my smoke.
I don't know if you can do it, Sam, but if we can get that blue building, that's a major avenue for us.
Just cover him because we gotta move up with it.
Okay.
Good throw, good throw.
Hey, blue building's dead. One
Wait
of
for it to
mine
plume a bit.
is. I think there's still one in there. Straight up, Sam, now's the time if you're gonna do it.
Let's see if I can see him. Why are you dry firing all of a sudden? This is only these mags' second game. They shouldn't be dry firing. Whoa, those are ricochets. Oh. I've seen him peek it a few times.
Shield moving up the road.
Yeah, they have village, and that's what's fucking us. I'm gonna go to the black car and see if I can't get him from there. What's up, buddy? Yeah, watch your head.
Way over here.
They're right here.
Those guys got green tarp will shoot this way, but they can't reach us.
Okay.
They're falling short right in front of the car.
Yeah, what's holding us up on the left side here is blue building right in front of us.
Yep, I got him.
So
There's
here in a
right,
second, I'm gonna.
There's one right of the blue building.
Can you come more like to my position so I can run from there?
See, that guy's shooting this way, but
He can't hit. He can't hit.
I got one of them from over there earlier.
I can hit him. He better be careful. Oh shit! Right there. Right there. Oh, hit. Yeah. All right, we'll try again. Whew! I'm making it up there. Oh shit, man down, man down. You all right? Oh, I got him? No way. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, I'm hit right away. It was a good game. Believe, that's all, folks.
If you shoot the fire extinguishers in this game, do they explode?
Yes, yes, they do. They don't. You gotta pretend. You gotta use your imagination.
To have fun, but it's more important to get that left side.
It's very, very important that we don't lose. But I mean, have fun. I mean, his life is on the line at this point.